Robert, did you remember? You want something with bananas. Yeah? Milkshake for Robert. And we need a banana, but it's kind of big. So first, we'll put... wait. A small part will goes into Robert's tummy. Come on. Eat it. Then, rest of banana will go here. Come on. Then, 350 milliliters of milk will goes in. Come on. Come on. Okay. Now, I cooked on low heat oats. We need 2 tablespoons. You can try.
I can try.
Yeah, you can try.
Good.
It's good, okay. A half a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Come on, add. Good. Now.
That is so good.
Okay. But it's kind of cold. Okay. Taste. It's good. Okay, and we'll add 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon, I think it will be enough, of honey. And now we'll need to blend this. So Robert, can you go please in your room? Go to mommy. I will blend and I'll be back. Come on. Go to mommy. No, I'll put you on it. To be honest, I'm scared of this blender. It's so noisy. What did you say? It's so loud. It smells delicious. I hope Robert will like it. Okay, no, come on. A straw for Robert. And then let's pour it inside. Ooh. Come on, taste.
Okay.
Taste, come on, да, gusto. Hai, как așa? Pui? Și hai, drink it. Hai. What do you say?
It's good.
It's good! He likes it. Good? Let me try. Yummy. So good. It's creamy and the oats does their part. You know, like drink it first, this one. Drink it.
This is
Okay, this is yours also, okay. But drink it first, this one, okay? Hi, drink it. So the oats add their nuts flavor. You'll need for this recipe 350 milliliters of milk, let's say 70% of regular banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, half of tablespoon of yogurt, and a loud blender. No. And a louder blender. No. We are not doing with blender anymore. No. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and write in the comments below what would you like us to cook next. Yeah? Be așa mai bine, mai simplu așa. Hai. Așa.
not good.
It's not good?
Not.
Not good?
Not good.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.